Hello, friends. Happy Friday. Today we are learning another letter and sound. This will be the last letter for the week. How cool is that? And it happens to be a blue letter. Do you remember when we learned the I or I sound? That one was blue also. Do you see it behind me? The I. Whoop, there it is. So it's blue, and so is the U. There's the U. They're both blue letters. That means this one is a vowel. It has two sounds. So it has a short sound, and it has a long sound. The long sound, it says its name, U. Let's look at some words that begin with uh. Uh. Underwear. Underwear. Uncle Sam. Uncle. Uh. Underwear. Uncle. And this happens to be Uncle Sam. This arrow is pointing up. Up. Here's a bridge. This bus is going under the bridge. Under. Under. Now, this is not the bike that I meant to bring over. So, we're going to pretend it looks like this. If it only had one wheel, it would be a unicycle. U. Do you hear the U for unicycle? That would be a one-wheeled bike, unicycle. We're going to leave that one over there so you don't get confused. All right, so remember, U is a vowel, and it has two different sounds. It has a short sound, and a long sound, U. So we have underwear, uncle, up, and under. I'm going to move these over here. Underwear, Uncle Sam, up, and under. In your envelope, please pull out your U says Now, what I think is kind of cool about the U is it can remind us of the sound, because if we put this arrow on the top of both sides of the U, the arrow points up. So that reminds me that that short sound is up. Sign language for looks like this. And when we do our sound chant, I always go So I'm kind of pointing up, just like this arrow. I'm pointing up. And that helps me to remember the sound for U, the short sound. So with your U, you could trace it with your rice. You could make it with Play-Doh. You can maybe put umbrellas on it. Umbrella. Right now, we're going to make it with Play-Doh. So I'm going to roll it into a cylinder. Roll, 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 roll. And then make this shape. We go dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. Umbrella underwear, uncle, under, up. And remember, both of these points of the U point up. Please make sure you're taking care of your Play-Doh. Put it all in one ball. Pick up all the little pieces. And if you keep your top on real tight, it will stay fresh. Your Play-Doh goes in your box. Your U goes in your box. This U goes into your baggie so that it's safe for next time. And we have our scavenger hunt. Take that out of the envelope, your material envelope, cut on the black line. Scissors go back in your box. Garbage goes into the garbage can or into recycling. And then you can find a friend or a parent or a cousin or a sibling to help you with your scavenger hunt. This scavenger hunt says, find an umbrella, find some underwear, underwear, find 2 utensils. Do you hear how the U says its name, U in utensils? Utensils are things like spoons and forks and knives. 2 utensils. Find a unicorn. Do you hear the name U again in unicorn? Find something under your bed. I wonder what you can find under your bed. Find something that makes you unhappy. Oh, that's sad. I wonder what it could be that would make you unhappy. Find something that is up, up, high, up, high. Find 3 uppercase letters. Uppercase is another name for capital. Find something you can unlock. Unlock. Find something you can unzip. Unzip. Find something. Find the United States on a map. Do you hear the name of our letter U? United States. And that's where we live. You probably remember that from Miss Ashley's lesson. The United States. Please have fun finding those items and put your letter or your scavenger hunt back into your baggie. Put your baggie into your box. Thank you, friends, for joining me. We'll see you in part 2 of our U lesson on formation. See you then.